Hi, John here. In this video, I will talk about why showing a price in your Facebook ad creative is the biggest sin any marketer can possibly do and why this basically kills the sale. Okay, so first thing that we need to understand is that what's a main purpose of Facebook creative, right? Because a lot of people think that Facebook ad creative should sell, right? But problem is that Facebook ad creative is not there to sell. It's more like to, well, it is. It's more like to sell a click, right? You need to filter people that have nothing to do with your product or are not really, a good fit for the product, and make those people that are perfect fit for a product click on your ad, and then basically you can close them, on your landing page using copy on our landing page. What is also important to understand is that a definition of a person, of typical user on Facebook, right? Let's say that you have a typical, a guy, right? So say he's like a little Billy, and Billy basically have a phone in his hand, right? And constantly scrolling through Facebook newsfeed. And what Billy is actually doing for it, Facebook newsfeed, is he's actually trying to get more dopamine hits, right? But one thing he's not doing there, and that's almost every Facebook user on the platform, is that nobody is there to buy, right? In a newsfeed, literally nobody is there waiting to see an ad so that person can actually buy it, right? So that's why when somebody sees the ad, right, what is really important is to hook them, emotionally to a product, show them, for example, some video, explain the product, show them some emotions so they feel something, right, to that ad. But mostly it's the main reason why you're running that ad is to hook that person and move it to your website, right? Because on the website is actually where that selling happens, right? And your landing page itself and copy on landing page, all images, all videos are what really, convert that person. So yeah, every time when I see actually that somebody is using price, in their ads, right, and especially in headline, I think that's a huge, mood kill for that person who is going for a newsfeed, trying to get that dopamine hit, checking their friends, family, interests, because nobody likes to be sold, right? And I think it's a lot easier to use all that real estate that you have actually in that Facebook creative in some a creative way, right? To show only emotions, benefits, but mostly emotions, how their life can look with that product, right? Or even show some story of a person who purchased a product that is close to that person we're actually targeting, instead of showing them the price of a product, right? Because if that person is not bought in, it's not emotionally hooked to that product and think that that thing that I can actually see in this ad can actually, bring something to me, then there is no point actually to show them a price, because it's a huge kill, right? And that person will more likely to bounce. And especially, when you think about it, right? You are in newsfeed and there's your ad, right? But above your ad could be some friends post, right? And below that could be some Instagram model, whatever. And that itself can kill that ad itself, right? Especially when there's price in there, right? Because you are always in competition, with all these posts. It's way better to always focus on emotions, on benefits, and create that creative so it literally only takes that attention and moves the person outside of platform so you can close the person on your landing page. So I hope this video helped, and if you like my videos and would like to see more of them, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye.